So, do you want to know how to get top position or first position on Google Ads with lowest CPC? I mean, do you want your ad only to be shown on top position and that too with the lowest CPC possible? How it's going to happen? I'm going to show you in this video. But before I talk you the magic formula through which you can get your ad on just top, not on second, not on third, not on fourth position, just on first position, you can do it, and I'm going to tell you in this video. But before I tell you, I want you to make sure on a few things with your campaign and structures. Then I'm going to tell that secret sauce or secret remedy through which you can get your ad to be shown on first position with the lowest possible CPC. So there are a few things you need to keep in mind before that. And the first thing in getting your ad to be shown at top is to work on your CPC, on your quality score. I have told in my other videos regarding quality score, and the quality score concept is about even like in a plumber 1 2 3, in case if you see these scenarios, the plumber 3 is paying CPC $8, three times or four times more than the plumber number one, but still his ad is being shown on the third number, and dad is paying, the plumber number one is paying $2, and that is his ad is showing on the number one position, and that is by optimizing the quality score. No, yeah, that is also important, but the secret sauce is something I'm going to tell later in this video. And the second thing should be ad relevant quality campaign structures, with ideally the formula is to work on SKUG with single keyed, where single keyword has a different ad. Optimized for, because every keyword there's a different buying perception, when people search for any query on Google. And let's say, in case if I come over here and let's say if I search over here, buy web hosting, in case if I search buy web hosting, and in case if I search web hosting deals, both should have different ads. Why? Because the mind behind every keyword search is different. When I search on web hosting deals, it means I'm tight on budget and I'm looking for a deal. When I search for a buy hosting, I'm more into buying web hosting. So you need to understand the intent of the user. That is very important before running even any campaign. And once you are done with, you need to optimize with ad extensions. You need to work on ad extensions. These are the ad extensions you can see over here, static extensions over these. You can get review extension, phone extension, call extension, like over here you can see the review extension over in the ad, silent extensions over here, promotion extensions over here. So different ad extensions can even optimize the experience. But yet again, I'm going to tell you the exact method to get first ad position in Google search with lower CPC. First ad position. Now, I'm not talking about second, I'm not talking about third, but the first ad position. So you have to stay with me, and you have to work on comparator analysis, keyword research, bid optimization. Now come on the secret sauce, which is through which you can get the first ad position only, because for some brands people want, or some projects clients want, I want my ad to be only shown in the first position, not even the second, third, and you just want to grab the first position. So in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can grab the first ad position, and that is very easy. What you have to do is, when you are creating a campaign on Google Ads, let's say over here, all you have to go do is you have to go to, let's move back to campaigns, and I'm going to show you how we can do it. Let's say this is a campaign. Okay, just move on to the settings. This is a strategy that needs to be followed to get your ad to be shown on first position only, and that is when you are doing bidding, you have to go to change bid strategy, and you have to move to the target impression share. Okay, when you target impression share automatically sets your bids to increase your ad chances of appearing in the search page area you select. Now when you select the target impression share, you have to move to the absolute top of result. When you select top of result, you can be shown on 1 2 3, but in case if you just want the first ad position, you just have to select this absolute top result of the page, and then you can see how many impression share you would like to target. Let's say for a specific keyword, that keyword is being searched 100 times. How many times you want your ad to be shown on the first position? You can, let's say, I'm selecting like 80% of the impression share I'm going to get and here 80% of the time my ad will be shown only on the first position, not on the second, not on the third. And then I'm going to write the maximum CPC I'm willing to pay. Okay, this is actually the lowest possible. Although I know that this can slightly cost you more, but that is the cheapest way to get only in the first position. Some clients just want on the first position, not in the second, third, and you may complain like, I just want to be appeared on a specific area on a number one position. And that is the formula through which you can appear on number one position. I hope you like this video, and sorry for the Skype messages, some of my clients were messaging me. And in case if you have any questions, comments, suggestions, you are more than welcome to write in the comments box. And make sure to subscribe to this channel. Once again, thank you for watching this video. Thank you and bye bye.